Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's new, starting 2021 off. Happy New Year to everybody. Just thought I'd do some videos about what I do. Maybe you find it interesting, maybe you do it too. Last year I got caught up in Honda three-wheelers, and I started buying them and fixing them, and unfortunately I kind of got addicted to them. So I like them. It's the toy I never could have when I was a kid. So I'm a little older now, and guess I'm reliving that childhood. Better than a convertible Corvette for sure. So anyways, here's my intro to my new channel. I hope you like it. It's a first for me, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I do with these three-wheelers. So Thanksgiving 2020, I got a call from a young man that had a 200M. He wanted to sell it, and I said, sure, yeah, 200M three-wheeler, I'm good. Well, here's the bike in question. 1984 200M. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's different. It's different than any of the other 200Ms I picked up this year. So what's different about it is these racks that are on it. 200M, why would you buy a 200M? Well, 200M was cheaper. If you went to the dealer, you'd save a couple $100, and not buying the big red. Your trade-offs is no, high, low, and reverse, which are really big. Personally, I think they're important, and that's kind of what we're going to do to this bike. We're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to take the best of a 1984 big red and this 200M, and we're going to put them together. But that's not why I brought it out first. To open the channel, I thought we'd open with something unique. Anybody notice what's different about this 200M than any other 200M probably out there, or very few, let's say that? Well, it has a front rack and a headlight cage. These were both options purchased at Honda. These did not come on this bike as standard equipment. Your headlight was exposed. You did not have a front rack, but you did get the better front suspension. So it sat on the dealer's floor, and he looks like a big red, but it wasn't a big red. It's probably a few $100 cheaper even with the racks. But someone went a step further with this bike, and not only did they order a front rack and a front headlight cage, they opted for the chrome option. This is not spray paint. The silver is actually chrome. Someone has painted black over them. And not only the rear rack is chrome, but the front rack is chrome, and so is the headlight cage. So there you have it, fellas. That's a 200M chrome racks, Hondaline. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna build it up. I'm gonna put them on an 84 Big Red. I think it'll make a nice bike. When we get it done, we'll make a video of that too. We'll do a video all along the way of the process, if you will. I want to give a shout out to all the guys out on threewheelerworld.com. I appreciate it. They have supported me all year, and advice and encouragement to move forward, and I appreciate it. I really do. This is a new venture for me, and hopefully it's something that continue on for quite some while. I'll give you a sneak peek of what's all in the barn here, and we'll talk about those bikes later. Check these out. If anybody's into old cars, we'll do a couple videos on that one too. So there you have it. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully the videos are going to get a lot better. This is my first one ever, so I appreciate you hanging in there and watching it to the end. It means a lot to me. If you like it, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I appreciate it. And we'll do better each time. Thank you.